Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to react to questions in exercise Foster, the same topic number 6, starting with question number 17. And question number 17 is asking us to find out what is 5 out of 7 itself raised to power minus 2 over 3 and everything raised to power minus 3, and that is the question. So if you look at that setup, we can remember we said somewhere that when a is raised to power a and the same thing, the whole thing is raised to power b, this is the same as a raised to power ab. We talk about the product of the indices, and that is just what we need to do. So we have to multiply minus 3 over 2 times minus 3. For example, we have negative 2 over 3. You multiply by negative 3, and then we find it's a 2. So even as we rewrite the whole problem, we are going to have it written as 5 out of 7 raised now to the product of the indices, and 5 squared is 25 and 7 squared is 49. And that is it. Let's now go to question number 21. Question number 21, which is asking us 4 over 5 raised to power x is equals to 25 out of 16. And there is something interesting here. You realize that 4 is more related to 16, just like 5 is more related to 25. And before we can even go further, we can write 25 into base 5 and 16 into base 4. So we have 4 out of 5 everything raised to power x is equals to 5 out of 4 squared, because 5 squared is 25 and 4 squared is 16. And it looks like, because this is the numerator is more related to the denominator of the second term, and likewise the denominator of the first term is more related to the numerator of the second term. That means, by all means, we have to flip one of them so that we can actually change the sign of the index. That means 4 out of 5 raised to power x is equals to 4 over 5 raised to power minus 2. And because the left hand side now is equals to the right hand side, that means, and the bases are the same, that means the indices are automatically the same. That means that our value of x is equals to negative 2. Let's now go to question number 22. Question 22 and see. Question number 22 is asking us 49 all over 64 raised to power x is equals to 8 all over 7. And it's just like number 21, because you realize that 49 is more related to 7 and 64 is more related to 8. But that means we can write 49 into base 7 and we can write 64 into base 8 as follows. We have 7 squared all over 8 squared, and the whole thing now raised to power x is equals to 8 over 7. We have to multiply the two indices here to get 7 raised to power 7 all over 8 raised to power 2x is equals to 8 over 7. And because we can say that 7 here is at the numerator position, while in the second term it is at the denominator position, we just have to flip this one, which is naturally raised to power 1, to have 7 over 8 raised to power 2x is equals to 7 over 8 raised to power -1. And because again the left hand side is equals to the right hand side and the bases are the same, automatically it follows that these indices have to be the same. And we can just extract that and have 2x must be equals to -1, dividing both sides by 2, and we find our x is equals to -1/2. And those are the solutions to those 3 questions. Please follow us in Maths with Ease, and let us work together. Thank you.